are there solar-powered portable power adapters? If you are curious about solar-powered portable power adapters and how they can enhance your camping experience, you are in for a treat. Let's dive into what these devices are all about. Solar-powered portable power adapters are indeed available and are perfect for camping and off-grid living. They combine solar panels with rechargeable batteries, allowing you to power your electronics and small appliances without needing traditional electricity sources. The basic concept is simple. These adapters usually consist of foldable or compact solar panels that capture sunlight and convert it into electrical energy. This energy is stored in an integrated battery or connected portable power station. This means you can charge your phone, laptop, or even lights while enjoying nature without the noise of a fuel generator. There are different types of solar-powered portable power adapters to consider. First, you have portable solar panels. These are lightweight and foldable, making them easy to set up at your campsites. They often come with USB ports or direct current outputs to charge devices or feed power into a battery pack. Then there are portable power stations, sometimes referred to as solar generators. These battery packs have multiple output ports, including USB, alternating current, and direct current. You can recharge them using solar panels, wall outlets, or car chargers. They provide stored power for use anytime, whether it is day or night. You also have integrated solar chargers. These smaller devices are designed to charge smartphones and other small electronics directly from solar energy. They are ideal for minimalist setups where you want to keep things light and simple. Now let's talk about practical applications. These solar-powered adapters can keep your phone, GPS device, and camera charged, which is essential for safety and navigation. You can power LED lights around your campsites for illumination and security. They can also run small appliances like fans, portable refrigerators, or cooking devices. Plus, they can support emergency power needs without creating noise or pollution. The advantages are clear. They operate quietly, allowing you to enjoy the natural sounds of the outdoors. They produce no fuel emissions, making them eco-friendly. They are lightweight and portable, easy to carry in your backpack or vehicle storage. They provide a reliable power source during extended off-grid stays or emergencies. For example, solar panels around 100 watts are common and sufficient to charge most camping electronics under good sunlight. Portable power stations can range from a few hundred to several thousand watt-hours, allowing you to power multiple devices and appliances. Some models even include multiple charging ports, such as USB Type-C, USB Type-A, and alternating current outlets, along with built-in LED lights for added convenience. In summary, solar-powered portable power adapters are widely available and well-suited for camping and park settings. They offer a sustainable and practical solution for off-grid power needs, enhancing comfort and safety while maintaining the peacefulness of outdoor spaces.